Welcome back, guys. This video I'm going to show you how to make screenshot on iPhone 15. So the only thing that you need to do, just click on a power button right here and volume up button right here all together. So let's see. Yep, after that you will make screenshot. Just click on that. You can save it or save a photo or file, or make quick note, or copy and delete, or delete screenshot. Also, you can make some lines or change the form. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.